In this lesson, we will explore the JSON format. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what JSON is and how to convert JavaScript objects to JSON and vice versa. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. It is commonly used for transmitting data in web applications. Let's start with our employee object. To convert a JavaScript object to JSON, we use the JSON.stringify method. Let's convert our employee object to JSON like this. Let employee JSON equals JSON.stringify employee and console log employee JSON. When we run this code, it will print the JSON string representation of our employee object. JSON uses key-value pairs to store data, with both keys and values encoded as strings. Curly brackets symbolize an object. To convert JSON back into a JavaScript object, we can use the JSON.parse method. Let's parse the JSON string back into an object. Parse employee equals JSON.parse employee JSON, and console log parsed employee. When we run this code, it will print the JavaScript object reconstructed from the JSON string. To summarize, JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is language independent. Convert objects to JSON. Use JSON.stringify object to convert a JavaScript object to a JSON string. Use JSON.parse JSON string to convert a JSON string back into a JavaScript object. Practical use cases. JSON is commonly used to transmit data between a client and a server. Understanding how to work with JSON is essential for modern web development, as it is the standard format for data exchange in web applications like receiving and sending data between a server and a website.